Okay, I'm going to be trying out a social icon set on Gimp, on an image I'm just making here. Let's go see it now. Social, where is it? Where did I put that? Complete social icon set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets here. They've all got the same images at 32 pixels, 64, 128, 256 and 512. So a complete social icon set. Complete, it wouldn't be complete, but these are the ones it's got on. So if these are the ones you're looking for, start with Amazon, Android, Apple, App Store, so on and so on. So most of the sites your work might be on, like Behance, would it have Dribbble? Yes, Dribbble, Ember, Pinterest, there's LinkedIn, yeah, Instagram, okay, so there they are. 64 pixel size, same images. 1 or 2, I don't know what that one is. Goala, that's not important. Moment, 128. I think that's the one I'm going to look at right now on my site, on my image. So let's have a look. So I've already got the image there, so I'm going to open as layers. Go to documents, I've got to find it. Complete social icon set. Okay, let's try one at 128. Let's try Pinterest. Oh dear, what's happening here? That just does it. Oh no, it's there. Okay. Zeppeli. Don't know what that is. Let's try Facebook ping, a very common one. And let's open that up. Convert to red, green, blue working space. No, don't need to. Keep. It'll be there. Want to move that, but the text tool is still alright. What I want, maybe transform tools and move. Yeah, that worked. Open as layers. Twitter. Keep. Normally you'd have them in a row, but I think this might look good. Sort of running down like that against one of the lines. That might look pretty good, you know. So you might be on Facebook, Twitter, what else? Open as layers. Open as layers because I'm layering on. Maybe Yahoo. No, maybe YouTube. They're the common ones. Yeah, I like it. Let me get one more. Just get more. Open as layers. Did I add Pinterest? No. Pretty good, you know. Lovely icon set. Obviously, you might want to put it into the HTML. I'm just making a sort of mock-up. You would do it differently because you'd want different sizes for different screens, responsive web design. But that's just a mock-up. Fencing company, bam bam. Maybe a bit more text down here. Yeah, looks good. Export the image. I'm basically exporting over another image. Okay, so let's go back and see these images. Icons. 256 size, getting bigger, and finally the same images, 512, Pinterest. Nice icon set. So if you want that icon set, I will leave that. There'll be a link below. Same images, different sizes. Good for mock-ups or put into the HTML.